beautiful brookie. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful, hot day here in Western Newfoundland, midsummer. The wind is up, but I think it's feeling around 30 degrees with the humidex. And me and my buddy Glenn are gonna go try pond. We never fished before. And we've seen it on Google Maps. It looks pretty promising, the way the brook flows in to the pond. And we're gonna fish that, we're gonna have a good time. I brought along some fresh crab legs. Well, season's over now, but my father-in-law got them right off the boat and frozen right away, so they're going to be as fresh as you can get, I'd say, for mid-August. So we're going to go in on the pond, we're going to have a nice little seafood boil up and enjoy the day. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Top heavy. Couple snacks along the way. There you go, guys. Let's get a release of this guy. Beautiful, beautiful brookie. Beautiful. Let's get him go. Man, he's a nice one too. Awesome. Got the skunk off our back anyway. In this nice little hole. I think we might set up camp here now. I got some crab legs to put on the pot. And see if we can catch away these little pretty trout. Alright y'all, I got me Fire Maple Star X2 cooking system. Boils water pretty fast, and we're gonna put some spices in there now and get some crab legs on. Nice one?
Well, it's not huge, but
Yes sir, nice, eh? You're starting to get those fall colors on them, eh? keeping it?
Yeah, might as well.
There you go. Let me get a meal of trout out of it too. Yeah, that's just a bit of salt, Old Bay, and tahini seasoning, I think that's what it's called. Oh, she's boiling over. Oh, she's boiling over. Yeah, we got some crab legs here from northeastern Newfoundland, out around Twillingate area. Thanks again to the father-in-law. Gonna be good. And we'll let those steam away. Some crab legs. We're gonna dig into my supper.
Eating like kings.
Eating like kings on the river. Sean Keats, if you're watching, thanks for the Benchmade knife, buddy. You're my knife supplier, #1 knife supplier, Sean Keats. Alright y'all, well I got a belly full of crab meat and we're gonna go out now and try our luck again. We let this here pool rest for a little bit, but we got a couple tried out of it. I think we got 5, there you go. Glenn corrected me, 5 keepers so far. I'm like the savage, is he? Ooh.
Ooh, beekeeper? Yeah. Oh, they're right there in front of me.
Oh y'all, we're having a lot of fun here. This here little brook is just stacked with these here brook trout. I've only using this here spinner, old spinner I had in my tackle box. I've been using that the whole time. And they seem to like it. I think they're just that aggressive. They'll take anything here. Got about 6 or so now for a meal, so we don't really want to walk out of here in the dark. It's a bit tricky to get here, but looks like the sun's setting now. So a little bit more fishing, and I'd say we'll be heading on out. Absolutely beautiful here. Can't get over it, especially with the sun on them hills.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see him coming up there then?
Oh. Can you cast and hit that like that? Ooh. Ooh. Gonna put everything back together right there.
Yes, sir. Alright y'all, well we packed up, caught a lot of trout, I think kept 6 or 7. Decent little paying ones. It was an awesome little hole, bit hard to get to as you can see, but well, I'm sure we'll be back. And of course that crab was absolutely delicious, and I got more of it, so can't wait to have it again. So if you liked the video, like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.